would like to congratulate Anwesh Dash as a recipient of a $500 legacy scholarship. Anwesh is originally from Memphis, Tennessee, and is currently a fourth-year medical student at the University of Tennessee Health Science Center. He is passionate about medical education and plans to become an academic hospitalist. His hobbies include playing cricket, film, noir, and exploring new restaurants.
Hi, everyone. I'm Anwesh. I'm an M4 at the University of Tennessee Health Science Center. Just a little bit about myself. I'm from Memphis, Tennessee. I am the first physician in my immediate and extended family. I am currently applying into internal medicine. Medical school, honestly, is kind of a tough time, both academically and especially financially. So it means a lot to receive the scholarship. I am extremely grateful to the Southern Medical Association for this opportunity. And as I enter residency in internal medicine, I hope to one day support future physicians kind of in a similar manner. Thank you so much.
Thank you.